So a friend of mine who is a leadership professor shared with me several years ago an article from Harvard Business Review, and it's called Managing Your Energy, Not Your Time. And I really use a lot of the practices that they shared in this article to help with my well-being. And there's three in particular that are really helpful. One is about ensuring that you take breaks throughout the day to make sure that your mind is always fresh. A second one is exercising. I exercise daily, and the article talks about the importance of exercise. And one thing about exercise that I think is interesting is that you have to think about is you don't always have to be in front of your desk to be working or come up with a great idea or solve a problem. So it almost always happens that I come up with my best ideas or solve a problem when I'm on a long run or a long swim. Work-life separation. So for example, when I'm inside my office right here, this is my office, I'm 100% focused on work. I don't take personal calls. I don't check my personal email. I'm 100% focused on work. And the same when I leave my office, I'm 100% focused on life. I don't check my work email. I don't take work calls. So that work-life separation really helps manage my energy and makes me more productive.